Volume of a solid hemisphere. Find the volume of a solid hemisphere of radius 7/2 cm. Take pi as 22/7. We have r as radius equals 7/2 cm and pi equals 22/7. As for the volume of solid hemisphere, remember that a hemisphere is 1/2 of a sphere. So this 1/2 represents the half. We have the hemisphere as half, then the actual formula for finding the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. So in a whole, this is the formula for finding the volume of a solid hemisphere. Our next step is to be writing the entire formula the way we have them represented here. But before we do that, we're going to be making these two fractions to become 1. And how do we do that? Remember that this bracket here represents multiplication. So what we will do, we will say 1 times 4, that equals 4. And 2 times 3 equals 6. We divide. We say 2 into 4 will give you 2. And 2 into 6 will give you 3. So we have 2/3. We have just succeeded in merging these two fractions together. When we did that, we got 2/3. So in writing everything together according to the way we have it here, that is the pi as 22/7 and our r cube as 7/2 centimeter, we'll have 2/3 times 22/7 times 7/2 cube. What we have here is 44/3 times 49/8. How did we arrive at this? We multiplied 2 times 22. When we did that, we got 44. Now 7 times 7 gave us 49. Now 2 cube is still the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2. And 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. So that was how we got 44/3 times 49/8. The next stage is to be multiplying these improper fractions together. 44 times 49 equals 2156 over 3 times 8 equals 24. When we divide, 2 into 24 give you 12. 2 into 2156 gives you 1078. 2 into 1078 gives you 539, while 2 into 12 gives you 6. So we are left with 539/6. When you divide 539 by 6, you will get a mixed fraction of 89 whole number 5/6. So you have your final answer as 89 whole number 5/6 centimeter cube.